Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Now I've made this style of card many a time with this hidden tag, and here you see, here's your little message, have a holly jolly Christmas. You could equally have a gift card in there or anything you want, but it's just a lovely little secret message that you've got like that. So let's get started. Let's start with our stamping. We're going to stamp it with Whisper White, so we need to get a little piece here of scrap Whisper White, or basic white as it's now known. I'm going to stamp in cherry cobbler ink. I'm using the stamp set Holly Jolly Wishes, and we're going to say have a holly jolly Christmas. So let's stamp, and yeah, I know I'm stamping in the middle of the paper, but there's a reason. There we go. Close this up, close up our ink pad, and then we're just going to quickly cut this out using these dies, and these are the tailor-made tags. And you can see you get an assortment. Now I can't remember which one I used before, so when I can't remember I get one out to check, and it's this one here. So we're just going to center it and hold it in place using some post-it note tape, and I'm just going to put that through the die cutting machine and I'll be back. Okay, so I cut this out using the tag punch, and then I just put some little ribbon in the end. You didn't need to see me struggling with the ribbon, and it's this ribbon here. It's the gold and cherry cobbler metallic ribbon, and I used this quite a bit, so can put that ribbon away and start to build our card. Card base is Evening Evergreen, and we're going to be using the Sweet Stocking Designer Series paper. And I'm going to just put this on with all the little pretty Christmas lights. This is a standard mat of 14.35 centimeters times 10 centimeters, but all the measurements will be on the blog post on my website. The link to that is in the description box below. And then I've got another piece here of the Sweet Stocking paper, all these gorgeous little doggies and kitties in their stockings. I'm just going to do that, and then this is just going to sit on top. So we want to put glue on 3 edges, 1, 2 and 3 on the reverse. So just along the very edge you want to put a bead of glue, and it's best to use glue because tape takes up too much space. This just works perfectly. So, and then decide where you want that to go. There will be perfect. And give that a good press down. Obviously don't move it about, but you know. And then you have your pocket in here, your little tuck space for your tag. And there you go. There's the card. So I hope you liked the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos if you haven't already. As I said, all the information about this project will be on the blog post on my website. The links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes a link to my Facebook group where I host a monthly online card club where we actually first made this project. So do come and check us out. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.